I just love the conversation. You know, just come in here and get to talk to all your friends and maybe some people you don't see every once in a while. So just really great. We all love it.
My favorite thing about the ELIs is seeing all the student athletes come out in non-athletic clothes and just all dressed up, all clean looking, and I just think it's a lot of fun getting to see people outside of like their comfort zone.
I would have to say the food, probably my favorite thing. Oh, last year we had some chicken and potatoes. It was really good. And then they have cake, and that's really good. So probably my favorite last year.
They've all been pretty good, been pretty different. Probably the first one just because the newness and everything, and just seeing how we treat our athletes at the end of the year, you know, that was pretty cool.